today's video we have a multiple unboxing. I did place an order with the Good Candle, which you guys know I absolutely love. The Good Candle candles, car diffusers, all of that, as well as we are going to be unboxing the April Ice Cream Beauty Box. Plus I did place an order for my Built Bars. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you would have already probably seen everything, but I just wanted to go ahead and make a video for those of you who don't follow me over on Instagram. Quick disclaimer. I fell asleep before I could wash my hands from this. Fortunately, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. If you guys caught my Glossy Box unboxing, well, maybe this one came first. I don't know which video is going up, but I said in there that I always go ahead and do my sunless tanner, and I do my hands, and then I leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I typically wash it off, but I fell asleep. And then I woke up this morning and I was like, oh no, oh no. So, judgment-free zone. All right, let's go ahead and jump on in. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with the unboxing of our April Ice Cream Beauty Box. Now, a little information about the Ice Cream Beauty Box. A lot of y'all have told me that you are looking for a subscription that is very, very makeup heavy, and this is it. So this box is going to cost you $24 a month, and the nice thing when it comes to the Ice Cream Beauty Box is you will always receive a palette in this box. So if you are looking to not only grow your makeup collection, but particularly your eyeshadow palette collection or what have you, this is going to be the box for you. Okay, so look how cute this is. I mean, the peanuts are so cute. Okay, so when we open it up, there is an April Hop into Spring little card. Tells you everything that is in this box and the retail value of everything. And the first item in here, oh no, it leaked. It smells really good, whatever it is. Wonder Gloss Face, I don't know how to say that. But I can feel it's like, oh yeah, it kind of exploded. Oh no. I can't open it, it's busted. Here I say it's literally, I should have known because look at the side of my box. I'll be honest with you all, my postal service sometimes gets a little like, really excited to drop off my packages. So anywho, this is rose scented. It smells so good, and it has a retail value of $40. It honestly was packaged well. It's just they got a little overexcited with, you know, delivering it, but that's okay. Hopefully nothing fell out, which, I mean, it's pretty split open. Doggone. So the next item in here is by South Main. This is a lip treatment. It does have a retail value of $11. It is in the scent Coconut. Let's try and open this. That seems really soft scented. I don't really notice much of a scent. It does definitely feel like it's going to be very hydrating. If there is a coconut scent to it, it is very, very light. It is a nice moisturizing type of feel. Like that, I like that. That is going straight up to my bedside table. The next item in here is the INT Cosmetic A Face Set. It does have a retail value of $27. How cute are these? I wish I had known. I would have dug mine out. This is a gilded bronze. Wow, go me. So look how cute these are. So you have a blusher, a highlight, and a bronze. That is too flippin' cute. Okay, so the next item is by Deuce, and this is Relentless Matte Lip Crown. This is a really pretty, ooh, this is really pretty. I like that. And honestly, I feel like with this, if I just kind of like ombre it out, I'd probably be like more comfortable. You guys know that's what I've been doing with darker lips shades, is I just do like a shade like this and then just kind of like, I like how it's a pencil too. Let's getting a little crazy. So I kind of like to apply it like that. And then just get soft with it. So it's kind of like a popsicle stain. And then I will go in with a lighter color right in the center, but that's really pretty. I mean, that's a really pretty color, and I kind of got it everywhere. That's awesome. All right, so I made a mess of myself, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the next item in here is by Stay Fabulous. Maybe that's the name of it. So that's what it looks like on the front, and here's the back. See, this is totally fine. Nothing was broke at all. Those colors are so flippin' pretty. That is such a gorgeous palette. I mean, this would be a palette that I could definitely get down with wearing like every day, because it's just really pretty, like neutral colors, and then you could do a little pop of berries. And this does have a retail value of $10, and I forgot to tell y'all, the lip crown that I just applied, that had a retail value of $24. This one right here. The last item in here is All Eyes on Me brush set by Molly Jacob. I've not heard of this before. Oh, this is cute. So this is the brush set, and right away I immediately go for this one because I feel like with my hooded lids, like slightly hooded lids, this is going to be a great brush for that. All of these, ooh, I like this one too. They feel nice. These are the type of brushes that if they're too fluffy like this doesn't like work well for my lids whatsoever. So this looks to be pretty promising, and this brush set does have a retail value of $24. Thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this my way. It's unfortunate that this came broken. It's definitely not their fault at all. Okay, so moving on, I did want to kind of do like a little collective type of haul. So I've been talking a lot over on Instagram about my love for Built Bars. I told you guys a while back, around the time I guess that I got my Peloton, I was trying to add more protein into my diet. It'll help if you guys are not getting enough protein. Sometimes you'll notice hair loss and everything. So I've been trying to add a bit more protein, but there's so many protein bars out there, and I'm just not a fan of a lot of them. They have like that almost chalky taste. I am a sweet lover. So what I've been doing the past few days is, instead of getting into the extra candy from Easter stash, I've been grabbing my Built Bars. I have like the little mini ones, so I'll snack on those sometimes before bed when I'm really craving something sweet. These, I don't know how the coconut brownie chunk can actually be good for you. They taste like a freaking candy bar to me. Like, they don't taste safe, but they're safe. As far as the macros, it's 150 calories for this bar. This is their large size bar. So, and it's a good size. Now, I don't use these as meal replacements. I use them as a don't eat a candy bar, eat something like with a little bit more substance in it. So it has 15 grams of protein in here. It does say 7 grams of sugar and 10 net carbs, but they do have different flavors and around the same amount for calories, but some are a little bit more like low carb friendly if the 10 carbs is a little too much for you. But I love them. I did reach out to Built Bar. I did ask for a coupon code for you all. If you use code HOTMESS, which I use my own doggone code to save money when I buy my Built Bars. I have lemon cheesecake. There's a cherry, like a chocolate covered cherry flavor. Salted caramel is good. But my absolute favorite is salted caramel. The brownie or coconut brownie chunk. There's a cookie dough. Amazing. And then the little mini coconut bars. Oh my god, so good, so good. Now next I'm going to talk about the Good Candle, which Martha and I were talking today, and she saw my Instagram where I was talking about the Built Bar, and she's like, that's it, I love coconut, I'm ordering some. I'm like, girl, you're going to love them. So I did place an order with the Good Candle, or Martha. She is such a sweet, sweet woman. You guys know I always have a candle back here from the Good Candle. This one is my toasted coconut. It smells so delicious. When you burn it, it smells more of like a yummy, like delicious, like cream pie or coconut or cupcake, like coconut cupcake or what have you. It just smells delicious. absolutely delicious. So I talk all the time about the card diffusers that she sells. They're like $9. They make excellent gifts and they are reusable. Everything about her brand, her company, her candles, everything. Card diffusers are reusable. They are environmentally, like, she's all about the environment. So I picked up the Mandarin Citron diffuser refill. So you just put some of the oil back onto your car diffuser and you can use it over and over and over and over again. This is one of my favorite scents. It smells absolutely delicious. She has this in candles as well. She actually, with my order, did send over one of the Mother's Day candles. Mom, if you're watching, can you please stop? Either one of my moms, my mom or my stepmom, stop watching. So over at the Good Candle, she has a limited edition Mother's Day candle. This is, I could smell it. It was so funny when I went to get my packages today. I could literally, when I was picking up the boxes, I could smell everything through the boxes. It smells amazing. So just to show you all, this is how it's going to come packaged. How cute is that? So you can just automatically like just gift it that way. Now, just to let you all know, if you use code HOTMESS, you will save 15% off your order. And every single week, she does put a new candle for 10% off, and you can stack my coupon code on top of that candle. So inside of this box, you're going to get your Mother's Day candle. Perfectly packaged. This smells divine. So keep in mind, like I told you guys, her jars are reusable. Some are whiskey jars and some, I forget what other ones that she said they were, but I mean this, you could just completely reuse this. How beautiful is this candle? I don't think my camera is picking up. Can you see how pretty that is? It's cucumber water and it smells so fresh and clean. That smells divine. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I mean, literally, you could use this to drink out of. So definitely make sure to check her out over at the Good Candle. I also ordered another candle. I forget what scent was this. Is this my Citron one? I just love her candles so much. Mandarin Citron. Yes, I did. I just love this candle. It reminds me almost of like an orange dreamsicle or something. I don't know, but it smells so delicious and I'm hooked. I am hooked. I love this. So I picked that up. She actually did throw in some of her wick cutters as well. So thank you, Martha, for that. Definitely make sure to check her out if you are looking for really beautiful Mother's Day gifts. Again, this candle, card diffusers, refills, what have you, would make an excellent gift. And again, you can use my coupon to stack it on top of whatever candle is on sale for the week. So you're gonna get the candle for like 25% off. So that's amazing. Anyways, thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box. Thank you to the Good Candle for my little Mother's Day gifts. And again, I just love everything. Make sure to check her out. Why not support small business owners? Eyescream Beauty Box as well is a woman-owned small business owner. I will have both links listed down below for y'all. Again, if you are looking for some yummy protein bars, if you want that yummy goodness late night snack, definitely make sure to check them out. Again, code HOTMESS is going to save you 10%. All information will be listed and linked down below. Don't forget to check me out over on my second channel, Hot Miss Mama Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls. I have a Yvette sportswear haul coming very, very soon. If it's not already up, it'll be there soon. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram at hotmessmomma04 so we can eventually get that 10K swipey uppy. It'll happen. I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.